Phonematics is a completely offline free application which allows user to view his or her incoming and outgoing calls and SMS details at fingertip. Let's view demo of the application by navigating various screens which displays various reports in graphical manner as well. So you start the application by clicking the application icon. Once the application started, the main screen will be displayed. The main screen might take for the first time between a minute and so. After that, it will be loaded very fast. After the main screen is loaded, you can see various sections. The bottom section tells you the call frequency and frequent callers. At the top, it tells you how many incoming and outgoing calls the user has, how many outgoing SMS, as well as the how many incoming and outgoing minute duration. So let's look at the call frequency graph. So you click on the graph, you can see a detailed report. The report tells you the total period for which the details were created on date. It also tells you the interval and the incoming outgoing count. You can click on the show graph to view the data in a graphical manner, and you can also share report. At any point of time, you can share any report which is available in the system by clicking the share report functionality. The next graph is a frequent callers. Once clicked, it tells you the contacts which are your frequent callers. So it tells you the duration in which the calls were made, and it gives you a high level summary. You can also view the graph as well as you can share the report. The next is the incoming call counts. You can click on the arrow and it tells you how many incoming calls you had on a what date and who made you those calls. You can share and view the graph. The next is the outgoing calls. It tells you how many outgoing calls you had. In this case, you can see on a particular date who called you and what was the frequency. The next one is the duration. When you click on the duration icon, it tells you how many incoming calls you had on what date and how many users you actually had the calls. You can view the graph or share the report. Same with the outgoing call duration. It tells you how many outgoing calls you had, what was the total duration, who was the top user in that. The top icon tells you the start date and end date. You can click on the date, which allows you to modify a particular date. You can give any start date. You can give any output out date range. You can click on the arrow to change the date criteria. You can increase decrease if the data is not available, the display will show you no data available, or you can view data for that particular duration. You can click on settings icon, which allows you to change the default languages. There are multiple languages available. The current version supports English and Marathi. In future there will be multiple languages. You can also click on contacts per report, how many contacts you want to see, let's say 5. And there is something called as sync contacts. So if you have updated your contacts in between the application was running, you can click on sync contacts and the system will be updated with the updated contact information. So once you change the settings, you come out, you say save settings, and you can see on the UI the languages are updated as well as the data. The report is now only showing 5 contacts. In future there are various languages will be supported. Now click, let's go back to setting and click on restore default. So you can save that setting. You can uh, see the system is restored back to its default setting. The language has been changed and the graphs are shown. The various very important feature of the application, what you called as a custom report, which which gives freedom to user to view data on their specific need. For example, you can give a start date and end date. You can give any date what you want. You can change, the data will be displayed accordingly. You can change the call type. For example, if you just want to see input incoming call, outgoing call, you can do that. In the contact list, you can select any contact or you can view all the contacts. In the phone type, if you just want to see a particular phone type, you can select that, and you can also give a filter based on the duration. So in this case, let's take an example of all outgoing calls the or a user has. So it tells you what date, what time you made a call, who was the contact, what was the contact person's phone type, and what was the duration. You can again share or show that graph. Now let's change the call type to select all, and in this case I just want to view the calls which had duration greater than 5 minutes. So I change the minimum duration to 5 minutes. I click create custom report, and you can see it shows you all the calls, incoming as well as outgoing, who has duration greater than 5 minutes. You can see the contact person's name, what was the phone type, what was the date, what was the duration, and you can share this report. This is a very excellent feature you can use to generate data as per your need. The last one is a refresh icon. Once you click on refresh, you can get the latest icons. If you click on the application name, you can see the version number, the contact details to reach us. You can click help to view the help about this application. So thank you very much for viewing this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write us. Our email address is contact us at rachitechnology.com. Thank you.